If you're making any of these trading mistakes, I promise you and I guarantee you, you won't be trading for long. Hey guys, my name is Dini and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 trading mistakes that if you're doing now, you will not be trading for a long time. You might be making money here and there, but over a long-term period, you will not be a trader and you will lose your entire capital. So why should you listen to me? Well, I've been trading for about 5 to 6 years now. I've made every mistake in the book. I thought I could come up with a strategy that would have a 99% winning rate. Trust me, I've been there and I've done it. So listening to me now, at least learning from my mistakes would save you a lot of time, stress, and most importantly, capital. So yeah, make sure to smash the like button. Listen, these videos are free. All I need you to do is hit the like button and comment down below. That's it. It's totally free. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And without any further ado, let's start with mistake number 5. And just before we begin this video, I want to let you know you can get free access to my Forex Mastery course. It's an entire course that teaches you how to trade from A to Z. And all you have to do to get free access is sign up and deposit with my preferred broker, FX. FX is my chosen broker and they give you a 50% deposit bonus when you deposit. That means if you deposit with $100, you can trade with $150. If you deposit $10,000, you can trade with $15,000. So not only do you get that 50% deposit bonus with a broker like FX, you also, when you deposit, get free access to my Forex Mastery course. So click the link below, sign up and deposit with FX. And once you do that, message me and you get full free access to my entire course. So mistake number 5, never aim to always win. When I first started trading in 2016, 2017, I thought, hey, why don't I come up with a strategy that would allow me to win 99% of times? That led me through a dark period of thinking that I could be some sort of a genius by coming up with a strategy that would allow me to always win. Well, guess what happened? I've lost my entire capital at that time by having that mindset. So please, whether you're a new trader or you've been trading for a while, never aim to always win. In trading, when you're trading, the whole process is a process of winning and losing. That's it. You're gonna win some, lose some. But the aim is to not always win. The aim is to win over time. Once you understand that idea and that plan to win over time, then you'll be profitable. For every business out there, whether it's Starbucks, a local cafe, when they're buying the products, they're taking a loss. When the customer buys from them, now they're starting to make a profit. So trading is like a business. You're taking L's and then you're taking W's. But what you need to be doing is taking more wins, more profits than losses. And that's how over time you're profitable. Because I promise you it's impossible to always win. Don't try to do that because then you're not being realistic. You're not playing this game as a trader, you're playing it as a gambler. And also one more thing, when I had the mindset of always winning, what I did was I was going all in on a trade hoping to double, and yes, I doubled, and then I would aim for that double again, and then what happens? I lose the entire capital. So save yourself a lot of time, money and stress by not having the mindset of always winning. Mistake number 4, never trade with capital you cannot afford to lose. And I'm going to repeat it again. Never trade with capital you cannot afford to lose. When you're trading with capital, make sure you can lose it and still live your life, right? So whether it's $100, $10,000, $100,000, make sure you understand that, it's possible that you can lose it all, right, over time. So you need to trade with capital you're okay to lose. The amount of times I've seen traders put their entire life savings, their entire everything onto their trading accounts, hoping that they'll make their money back and then ruin their life, is insane. I've seen a lot of people do that, where they go all in and put all their capital into a trading account, and then when they blow it, their life is a shambles. So you want to be able to, invest but still live your life. That investment shouldn't take away from your lifestyle. And then, if it is, then just know you're trading with money you cannot afford to lose, and then you're eventually going to lose it all. So yeah, trade with money you can afford to lose, whether it's 10%, 5%, 20%. You have to acknowledge, hey, I could lose all of it, but am I going to be okay? Can I still live my life if I lose it all? So mistake number 3, I've spoken about this before. Never go all in on a trade. Stop having the mindset of being some sort of a genius, some wizard that, understands how the market goes up and down and when the market will go up and down. You will never be able to predict it. Trading, in a sense, is gambling. I know a lot of people might not agree, but it's sort of gambling. You're gambling on the hopes of it going up or down, because nobody truly knows when the price is going to go bullish or bearish. Okay, so never go all in on a trade. I don't care how certain you are or what strategy you're using. You're going to ruin your life by thinking that if you go all in on a trade, you're going to be some sort of a multi-millionaire on a private island. It's not going to happen. I get DMs every day, almost every day, of people that are now, broke, they're stressed, they have to get a loan now to survive and all of it. So yeah, this is a simple one. You don't need to go all in on a trade. Just have risk management and have the mindset of this being a long-term game. So trading mistake number 2, never aim to catch a bottom or a top. What do I mean by that? Let's say right now, gold has been climbing up. It's been going up for 20 days, right? You go on the charts and you're like, hey, gold has been going up for 20 days. I'm sure now is the best time to sell. What you're doing now is you're looking to catch a top. You're looking to sell at the top. But the thing is, it's delusion. You're deluded by the idea of catching a top. But the thing you have to understand is nobody can predict the top or the bottom, right? So you go in on that sell. You sell because you think gold is very bullish. What happens? It continues to go up and up and up, and you're hoping and praying for it to go down because you think it's the top. So I've seen a lot of my clients try and do that, and every one of them fails. You might be lucky, you might catch it one time, but majority of times you're going to take a big L doing that. So never aim to catch a bottom or a top. We can't predict the future, right? So aiming to catch a bottom or a top is a very lose-lose situation. And this leads me to trading mistake number 1. Never trade against the trend. Going back to trading mistake number 2, which is never try and catch a bottom or a top, trading mistake number 1 is never go and trade against the trend. If price is going up, if you want to sell, well, you're going against the trend. You're saying, hey, it's very bullish, let me sell. Now, you might make money, you might catch a small pullback, but I promise you, over a period of time, you're going to realize that it's a very stupid decision that you can make. Never try and trade against the trend. If you want peace of mind, I always suggest you to trade with the trend. If you try and trade against the trend, well, you'll see. You'll go in on a sell when price is pushing towards the upside. You might make a few pips, like 5 or 6 pips, and then it continues back up, right? So don't try and catch a bottom or a top, and never trade against the trend. If you try and avoid these 5 mistakes that I've spoken about in this short video, you're going to save a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of stress by avoiding it. So yeah, I hope you guys learned a lot from this short video. And yeah, if you did, smash the like button, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel, and comment down below if you've made any of these mistakes. My name is Dini, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.